Today, we're unveiling the latest addition to our lineup, the Blaupunkt Class AB amplifier with DSP, the GTD1407A. This powerhouse boasts 4 channels of high-level outputs or 7 channels of low-level outputs. Weighing in at just 0.92 kilograms and with a slim form factor measuring 186 mm by 120 mm by 46 mm, it's designed to seamlessly slide under your car seat, optimizing space without compromising on performance. With a maximum output power of 240 watts, this amplifier is ready to rock. You can also utilize the Bluetooth capability of this amplifier to stream music. Additionally, there's an app and PC tuner designed for this device, allowing you to adjust settings according to your preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.